Section 4, How AI Works, a simplified explanation learning objectives. By the end of this section, learners will be able to 1. Describe the basic process by which AI systems learn and make decisions. 2. Understand key components of AI systems. Data, algorithms, models, and learning. 3. Distinguish between types of machine learning. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. 4. Relate AI's functioning to familiar human processes of learning and practice. So far, we have introduced artificial intelligence, explored how it compares to human intelligence, and traced its history. But one fundamental question remains. How does AI actually work? When people see tools like voice assistants, recommendation systems, or self-driving cars, it can feel like magic. But in reality, AI systems follow a structured process. The basic formula: data, patterns, predictions, decisions. At its heart, every AI system follows the same cycle. 1. Data. AI is built on data. It could be words, images, numbers, transactions, or sounds. Data is the fuel of AI. 2. Pattern recognition. AI systems use algorithms to analyze the data and find mathematical patterns. 3. Learning. As more data is processed, the AI learns and adjusts, improving its accuracy over time. 4. Prediction, decision. The AI applies what it has learned to a new situation, making a useful prediction or decision. Let us break this down with an example. Example: email spam filter.
Every day, millions of emails are sent, and some are spam. How does your email app know which ones to divert into the spam folder? Step 1. Data. Thousands or millions of emails are labeled by humans as spam or not spam. Step 2. Pattern recognition. The AI studies common features of spam, such as certain keywords, win money now, suspicious links, or sender patterns. Step 3. Learning. The algorithm is trained so that each time it encounters these patterns, it improves its ability to classify. Step 4. Prediction. When a new unseen email arrives, the AI predicts, this has an 87% chance of being spam, and moves it to your spam folder. The building blocks of AI. To understand the how, it's useful to know a few building block terms. In data, the raw input: text, images, sound, numbers. 2. Algorithm, a set of rules or instructions. For AI, it's the mathematical process of analyzing the data. 3. Model, the trained system that results after algorithms process data repeatedly. The model is what performs predictions. 4. Training, the process of feeding a system examples until it generalizes and can handle new unseen inputs. Think of this like training a student. Data equal textbooks and practice questions. Algorithm equals study methods or strategies. Model equals the student's acquired knowledge and memory. Prediction equals how the student answers a new exam question.
Types of machine learning. Most modern AI works through machine learning. Instead of programming machines with exact rules, we let them learn from data. There are 3 main types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. The AI is given labeled data, examples with correct answers. It learns patterns to map inputs to outputs. Example: training an AI to recognize fruit by giving it thousands of labeled images saying apple or banana. 2. Unsupervised learning. The AI receives raw, unlabeled data with no answers. It tries to group or cluster similar kinds together. Example: a music app grouping songs into genres based on audio features without being told genre labels. 3. Reinforcement learning. The AI learns by trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties for actions. Over time, it learns strategies to maximize reward. Example: a self-driving car learning to avoid obstacles, or AlphaGo improving by playing millions of games against itself. Together, these methods explain much of what AI does today. Analogy: AI learning versus human learning. Let's link this back to humans. A student studies solved math problems, supervised learning. A student observes patterns in nature and groups things together without labels, unsupervised learning. A child learns to ride a bicycle through trial, error, and reward, reinforcement learning. This shows that while machines and humans aren't identical, the learning process can be understood in parallel ways.
Why this matters understanding how AI works removes the mystery. It is not magic. AI systems succeed, pay, or fail based on the quality of their data, the soundness of their algorithms, the effectiveness of their training, the context of their application. When students and educators understand this, they can engage with AI critically, instead of blindly trusting or fearing it. Reflection for a moment. Can you think of a time when AI got it wrong? Perhaps a movie recommendation that felt completely irrelevant, or an autocorrect that changed your sentence in the wrong way. Why do you think the AI made that mistake? Was it the data, the training, the decision-making process? Reflecting on errors shows us just as much about AI as its successes. Key takeaways. 1. All AI systems work on the foundation of data. Pattern recognition, learning, prediction decision. 2. Key components include data, algorithms, models, and training. 3. The three major types of machine learning are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Just like students learn from practice, examples, and mistakes, AI learns from massive quantities of data, but without human creativity or emotion. 5. AI is not magic. It is mathematics, patterns, and probabilities applied at scale.